I still haven't fixed this issue of the lid not fitting, so I bought a new lid. I didn't want to compromise the structure of the hive wrap. Just need it to be a little bit bigger. Ah, there we go. Perfect fit. Good.
Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through. As long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
So my 2 crazy hives. So this is crazy. They're coming out. And that's Crazy's offspring. That was the flow hive. So Queen June. But they are bursting. Whoops. Shoot. But I was going to make that entrance reducer a bit smaller. But I think they need the space and the air circulation. Alright, then other than that, I'm just going to put away all these last minute items. I still have our bins out with all our supplies. Husband still has a box out here, so I'm just going to clean it up. We're getting 10 to 20 centimeters of snow overnight. So I just need to make sure everything's cleaned up or else I won't have access here anymore really. I have to start climbing the fence, which I don't like to do. So I'm gonna get the girls all ready for winter, and well, they're already ready, but the yard needs a good cleaning. Put everything away. I store all my frames and bins outside so they're frozen. So I need to bring all the bins out and wrap up my flow hive frames. Do all that kind of stuff today too. Here I go. We're just slurping from this little pool of water in here. So cute. Day. I told you. I warned you. The new pup seems to like the snow.